Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a CMB coffee meets bagel account. So first of all, go to your app store or play store depending upon the device you are using and download the app. And once the app is downloaded, open it, then tap on I'm new here. After that, you'll have to enter your phone number. Then tap on get started. After that, it will send a verification code to your phone number. Just as you can see, the code has arrived on my phone number, so simply type it. Then tap on verify. And if you want to link your Apple account with CMB, you can link it. Otherwise, if you don't want to, you can simply tap not now. Then tap on next, and let's do this. Now enter your first name and last name. Tap next. Enter your email address. Tap next. Then select what you are looking for. After that, tap sounds good and choose your gender and choose what you want to date. Then choose your birth date. Tap next and tap on add my location. Now you'll have to upload your profile pictures. So upload your photo. Then tap continue. Then again tap next. Now you'll have to enter your height. So enter your height. Now choose your ethnicity, your religion, and your job title. Finally, you'll have to choose where did you go to school. Enter the name of your school and add your highest degree. And there you have it. You have successfully created CMB account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.